My favorite way to make funny ads is by incorporating a character that probably would exist in whatever it is that we're selling. So for example, I have an agency where we create funny ads for other businesses. I thought, what kind of character would never exist in this niche, in this space? And so my mind went like super extreme and like, oh, the character called the ads dominatrix. I created this character, we created this ad, and I had this accent, and I went on Amazon and I bought this costume. When making up characters for whether it's my business or for other businesses, I would just think of what would never exist here. And also, what unique abilities do I have? And for me, it was, hey, this like weird accent that I could do. Accents are some of the best things. Like you can use your employees, you can use your friends, you can use your family, and I like to, if someone has an accent, I like to play off that, or I like to go on Amazon and I like to look up costumes and I like to find stuff. Like I own hamburger costumes, cow costumes. My garage is filled with tons of costumes that I bought off Amazon, but I always have different things that I can use for different ads to promote whatever it is that I'm selling.